am going to the Sigri today in Powai, so stay tuned with me for more updates on this.
When I came to Powai, the first thing I've seen is the Fresh Peak, bang opposite of Seagreen. And I and my friend, we both reached early also. So we directly came to Fresh Peak first.
I am in the Powai Fresh Pick now, simply enjoying because they have got lovely stock.
The best part is this small cafe arrangement inside the Fresh Peak.
The first thing after entering, I have come to their snacks counter and I'm showing you all how it looks.
I wanted to try the Batata Vara, which I've tried in the GeoWorld Drive Fresh Pick. But when I came here, they told me it's not available here. So my heart was broken. But then they suggested me to have samosa. And I had finally one samosa and a cup of coffee. Fresh Peak has got a very good spread of the Arabic sweets, the Arabic delights, these baklavas. So people who are very fond of baklavas or Arabic, sweets, for them, this is one of the best place.
Masala paneer was so nice that I couldn't resist myself. I had to take it.
Finally, our samosa and coffee is here. As you all know, my friend always comes with me, but she is very shy, hence I cannot show her. Usually, we both like Starbucks coffee a lot, but today we didn't miss it because even the coffee here was too good.
This Fresh Pick has got wide varieties of kitchen accessories. So let's see what is there.
I was searching for a good grill pan and I got one of the option in this Wonder Chef. Hence, I thought of taking it. And also, I will have to take one, turner. And finally, I went to this KitchenAid section because they have got kitchen accessories which are very good in quality. And I took one turner from them.
Even the serving spoons are so good that I couldn't resist myself.
I took three of this golden color serving spoon because they are so beautiful.
I'm in the Seagree Global Grill in Powai today, simply enjoying their spread. It's so nice.
Today I couldn't shoot from outside because since from past 2 to 3 days it is raining very heavily in Mumbai. Then shooting with the phone gets very difficult. So you all have seen that in Fresh Peak also I started the shooting from the store when I reached the store, and here also in Sigri Global Grill when I am inside now I have started the shooting. So I'm showing you all the buffet spread. They have got wide varieties of the veg and the non-veg buffet here. In non-veg, they have got wide range of varieties in chicken, in mutton, as well as in fish. So for the chicken lovers, y'all can definitely come here because there are huge varieties of chicken. And they have also got the mutton dum biryani, which is very famous here. And I think the food taste to anybody who has already visited Sigri, all know what is the food taste. They have got lovely food taste, and I always come here. This is one of my most favorite joint where I come for the buffets and barbecues, especially. They're very famous for their barbecues and the regular buffet counters. And they have got the live counters of pastas also. They also serve pizzas, but I'm not very fond of pizza. For the people who are like pizza lovers, for them it's a very good place because they can have pizza in their starters and all. Even for the veg eaters, they have got wide varieties of options for the veg lovers. So even you all can come and try the buffet here. As well as they have got a lot of options in the barbecue as well for the vegetarians. So to all my veg lover friends, come here and try the recipes. I'm sure you all will love it. Whenever I come to a buffet, the first thing I do is I take a round to the overall all the counters to see what are the options available, and then I choose what I want to eat, and as per that I order and I have it in the table, or else I come and I take it. Since just because it's a buffet, I do not want to waste food. I only eat that much amount what I can grab. And here is my favorite pudding. So I'm definitely going to take the pudding. I will not be having all these pastries and the other sweets which are here. Even I like jalebis which they have, but today I will not have jalebis, but I'll have pudding. So finally, I'm here in the table, and This is my kokum sharbat which has come, and with that, my favorite chaat is there. I love to have pani puri and all that. And now y'all can see I'm sitting with the barbecues with prawns and fish and all my favorite. So I'm simply enjoying this dinner, and what a good taste. I am loving it. And finally, I am so overeaten that I couldn't try anything in the main course. I have straight away come to my favorite pudding. Reached home just now and I've got this cooking spatula from KitchenAid. As I told you all before, these are the three golden color spoon which I love. Hence I took them. Here comes the grill pan which I took from Wonderchef. What a good quality it is. It's a very good quality. I was already having this mint before, but not the hair fall control one. Hence, today I grab it when I saw the hair fall control written on it. There were three varieties of paneers. I have tasted all of them, but this masala paneer was the best. Hence, I took it.
So I have shared with all of you what all I have shopped today. We'll come with a new video really soon. So stay tuned till then and keep watching my channel. Welcome to my world. Bye.